Enjoy yourself, Miss Quinn, and do give the Joker my best.
Okay, fine, so I hadn't told people about the breakup, but you don't understand. Being Joker's girl gave me immunity. I could do whatever I wanted to whoever I wanted, and no one ever dared to object.
Made friends with the floor, 2 for 1, you know I bitch by 4, and 2 left feet, you know I always drop. First thing a girl did was a bop, and the whole damn cake and the cherry on top. Shook up the bottom, made a good girl pop. You ain't even here to party, Ken in the club trying to paper Barbie. I don't wanna go with the flow, like guns and I touch my toes. I don't wanna roll the boat. Wrist full of rocks and I hope I float. Big up yourself 'cause you know they don't. I choo 'cause they hope I I'm a bitch, I'm a boss, I'm a bitch and a boss, I'm a shine like boss, I'm a bitch, I'm a boss, I'm a bitch and a boss, I'm a shine like boss, I'm a bitch, I'm a boss, I'm a bitch and a boss, I'm a shine.
Some people have the Eiffel Tower or Olive Garden. The Joker and I, our love bloomed in a highly toxic industrial processing plant. And luckily for me, I have all my best ideas drunk.
I have the best idea.
Like a lit cigarette, took my last breath. Like a smoke from my lips, I've lied for you, and I liked it too. My knees are bruised from kneeling to you. I've had enough, but you're too hard to quit. We've had our fun, now your sugar makes me sick.
This is where it all began, Puddin'. You motherfucker.
And now I'm laughing through my tears. I'm crying through my fear. But baby, if I had to choose, the joke's on you. The joke's on you.
It was the closure I needed. A fresh start. A chance to be my own woman.
Can I help you?
Why, yes, you can. I'm here to report a terrible crime.
And what terrible crime is that?
This one. Hi, boys. Meeting's over.
Where can I find Cassandra Cain?